Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today I'm in my backyard with my GoPro Karma drone, and what we're trying to be doing today is we're going to see how well the Karma drone hovers in the one spot. Now, I've heard people complain that the Karma drone is very unsteady in hovering and that it wanders all over the place. I find it pretty good, so I'll do a test in my backyard with the Karma drone, and you'll be able to see yourself how well it hovers in the one spot and whether it is acceptable for your needs. Now, I picked this one up second hand. I've got more videos on the Karma, the unboxing and how I got to have it, and also the first flight. I'll link those videos down in the description box. It is a bit windy today as well, as you might be able to hear in the microphone if there's any wind noise. So that might affect the test, but it shouldn't make too much of a difference because the Karma's not really affected by wind too much. So let's get going and see how she hovers.
3, 2, 1.
Now we need to tap the go button. Okay, there she is hovering. Seems pretty goddamn steady to me. Now I'm just filming this on my iPhone, so I'm hoping the sound is not too bad, because this drone is quite noisy. It does seem to go up and down a little bit, but realistically it hasn't gone anywhere. It seems to be sitting quite steady in my opinion, especially on a windy day. Now, what I like about the Karma drone is that it has no sensors. Okay, a lot of people complain that there's a lack of sensors. However, I actually like the fact that there is no sensors whatsoever. So there's no interference of anything. And if you watch one of my other videos, I was flying it around a high frequency radio tower, TV transmitter, without any issues whatsoever. And I'll link that video down in the description box if you like, make it easier to find for you. Okay, I would have been way too scared to take my Spark near a radio tower because you'll just get interference from everything. Okay, I've flown this thing around power lines, radio towers, high traffic areas without any problems. Simply because it's got nothing there to confuse it. It's controlled by humans rather than sensors and algorithms. Okay, I like to drive my cars and I like to fly my drones. I don't want other people or algorithms or programs to be controlling my drones. Okay, and that's one of the reasons I've stuck with the Karma drone. It's one of the few drones that does not have any external sensors to mess it up. Okay, I think that's been hovering for around 3 minutes now, 3.5 minutes, without any issues whatsoever on a windy day. Now I've got the Karma hovering about 5 metres off the ground and still steady as a rock. So I'm thinking the myth that the Karma does not hover steady and that it wanders all over the place has been busted. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Mike's Man Cave, and bye for now. See ya.